he would be able to have at least an acknowledgement of, one, the character of his military service, and two, the possible connection between the trauma of that military service and his behavior and mindset in the years following.
Thank you, Mr. Perry. I have no further questions.
We have no questions, John.
Very well. Thank you. David, I'm going to hang up the phone now, okay? Thank you. I'll talk to you soon.
Okay.
That's all from the defense at this time, Your Honor.
Mr. Young, so I'm clear and aware on the record, the interaction with Mr. Ferrier and Mr. Hopkins is probably the main thing that encouraged him or changed his mind to accept responsibility for this action. Is that not right?
Yes, sir.
That's what I thought.
Mr. Ferrier is a published author. He works with Vietnam veterans all over the country.
This came about very, very quickly because I was made aware Monday afternoon late that potential plea was available, and that's why we did it Thursday so rapidly. All right, Mr. Hopkins, you want to say anything right now? You want to wait?
Do you want to say anything right now?
Do you want to say anything right now?
Let's wait until we get. Okay.
Nothing at this time, Your Honor.
Very well. All right. Listen.
Thank you, Your Honor. Please score.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, we have a couple of housekeeping matters first. We have the autopsy on both of the shooting victims, Your Honor, that died, and we have those available to mark as a court's exhibit if you feel the need to look at it later or if it's instructive in any way to you.
I'll be present for mark for both. Exhibit 1 and 2.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, also we have here today Mr. Salinger and Mr. Perry, who were with Mr. Hopkins the night before this shooting took place. They were here, they were playing trivia with him. If you feel necessary, I can put them up for a interview from the witness stand, cross-examination if need be. But to summarize what they would testify to, they testified that they knew Mr. Hopkins from playing trivia with him. They were part of a trivia team together. But that night, before the shooting, that Mr. Hopkins came in highly agitated and said that his family is disintegrating. The police were going to come to his house. Further, he went on to say if the police came to his house, he was going to shoot them. And is what Mr. Salinger would say, and said that he had a great field of vision to view people coming to his house in order to be able to do that. The other gentleman, Your Honor, oh Lord, Perry, yes, Mr. Perry. Mr. Perry was going to testify that Mr. Hopkins said he was going to shoot them all if they came to his house. He would shoot them. And the reason we wanted to submit that, Your Honor, this time it refutes some of what Mr. Hopkins said in regards to the premeditation of this whole incident. He had it in his mind the night before, and we discussed that with these people. They told him, Mr. Salinger told him to go lock all of his guns up so he couldn't get to them and hide the key until he got rid of his anger, but that didn't happen. But if you want to hear from them from the witness stand, Your Honor, they are here and available.
Considering Mr. Hopkins accepted responsibility even after he gave some of his explanations as to some of the events that took place in that short time early on in the situation, he's accepted responsibility, and before me at a very close range. As y'all remember in Aiken, I was within 5 feet of him during the entire plea for the benefit of his hearing in a very close range, and I was very careful to ask him, are you aware you must waive all those defenses and claims in order for me to accept this plea? And he, without hesitation, accepted to waive any of those claims and accept responsibility for what he did. I think your proffer is appropriate, but I don't think we need live testimony.
All right, John. The autopsy for Miss Farrah Turner, Your Honor,